transforming your daily meal prep, weeknight dinners, and healthy cooking routines into an entirely chemical-free, transparent culinary experience without dealing with hidden coatings or complex cleanup usually means transitioning to an advanced, glass-based convection system. The non-toxic Air Fryer Pro 9-in-1 glass air fryer with self-cleaning, 5-quart capacity, rotisserie, and tumbler in cherry redefines countertop cooking by combining complete 360-degree visibility, powerful vortex thermal dynamics, and a strictly non-toxic design. The primary technological breakthrough centers on its heavy-duty, non-reactive tempered glass bowl architecture paired with a high-velocity 400 degrees Fahrenheit vortex convection system. Instead of cooking blindly inside traditional opaque metal baskets coated with non-stick chemicals, this system lets you monitor your food from every angle in real time while circulating rapid, even heat that locks in moisture and maximizes crispiness without requiring chemical enhancements. Performance and everyday versatility streamline everything from quick frozen snacks to complete weekend roasts. Outfitted with a spacious 5-quart capacity and a suite of specialty attachments, including a rotating tumbler and a rotisserie skewer, the appliance handles everything from hands-free tumbling fries to roasting whole chickens to juicy perfection. Day-to-day usability is supercharged by 9-in-1 preset cooking functions, covering air frying, baking, roasting, broiling, reheating, and dehydrating, food-grade stainless steel accessories, and an ingenious built-in self-cleaning mode that uses a fast hot water and airstream cycle to blast away grease without manual scrubbing. Things to consider before you buy: glass bowl care and handling. While the thick tempered glass bowl provides unmatched visibility and an entirely chemical-free cooking surface, it is heavier than standard non-stick aluminum baskets and requires careful handling during washing and transport. Capacity for large crowds. While the 5-quart volume is expertly scaled for everyday family meals and pairs nicely on most countertops, heavy entertainers cooking massive multi-pound batches simultaneously may find themselves utilizing sequential rounds. So, who is this really for? This 9-in-1 glass air fryer is an absolute home run for health-conscious foodies, families, and design-minded cooks who want 100% Teflon-free, BPA-free, and PFAS-free peace of mind combined with the versatility of a rotisserie, tumbler, and self-cleaning cycle. If you are looking for an ultra-compact single-serve door machine or an opaque dual-basket unit for heavily segregated batch cooking, a different appliance layout will better match your kitchen style. Is it worth the money? If you value an entirely non-toxic glass construction that keeps harmful chemicals away from your food, a vibrant cherry aesthetic, 360-degree cooking visibility, a 9-in-1 preset suite with rotisserie capabilities, and an effortless self-cleaning function, it is a premier, health-forward investment for upgrading your daily cooking routine.